PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the morning Weather Extreme video. This is for Monday morning, the 30th of March. James Spann here. A calm day today, a cold start, but more active weather later in the week. Hey, it's springtime, you know. Let's look at the Skycam shots early this morning. There's the view from Birmingham, looking south from the Daniel Building. It's cold out there. Many spots are in the 30s, as you'll see in a moment. The Inverness Skycam from the Wingate Inn, nice and calm there. And over on Mount Cheaw, they are warmer because they are in the inversion layer. We note that while many spots are in the 30s, they are in the low 40s this morning. There's the water vapor satellite shot, and you can see another big trough out west. And yep, that'll be bringing more rain at times in here this week. And look at the numbers. Haleyville sitting at 32. Gadsden, 34. Birmingham at 37. Upper 30s for Tuscaloosa and Alabaster. And many of the colder valleys are at the freezing mark. And many of those spots do have frost on the ground this morning. So another reason we cautioned you a few weeks ago, it's a little early to be planting. Well, looky here. More heavy rain for the Deep South. The Gulf Coast region, that's suggesting 7 inches of rain at Pensacola this week. This is valid through Friday evening. The numbers up here are in the 2 to 3 inch range. We'll have 2 rounds of rain, one tomorrow, another one Thursday and Thursday night. In terms of the severe weather potential, tomorrow there's a slight risk on the Gulf Coast, South Louisiana, South Mississippi, Alabama's coastal counties over to near Fort Walton Beach and Panama City. We are expecting showers and maybe a thunderstorm here, but the severe weather threat is relatively low for this part of the state. The more significant threat will be on Thursday, which is day 4. And this risk includes the southern 2/3 of Alabama along and south of Interstate 20. And, of course, we need to get through this thing tomorrow, and we'll see how it all plays out. And then Saturday, which is day 6, we got a risk off to the west. Texas, Oklahoma, and around the Arklatex. And again, let's look at modeling, and we'll take a look at this. This is the OZGFS at noon today. There's your trough out west, but again, we'll be in good shape today. A sunny day. We'll start the day in the 30s. We'll wind up around 70, maybe low 70s today, but more snow for the Rockies with that trough out west tomorrow. The surface low is way up north. This time it's approaching Minneapolis, St. Paul. At midday, a pretty nice band of showers and some thunder right up and down the Mississippi River. And it looks like we'll have showers tomorrow and maybe a thunderstorm late tomorrow or tomorrow night. But again, with the upper low so far north, severe weather looks unlikely. And then Wednesday, that batch of showers is on by. And we think that the sky becomes partly sunny on Wednesday. But on Thursday, here comes our next system. This a very strong shortwave going negative tilt. Pretty far to the south, too. The Vortmax is near Galveston. At the surface at midday Thursday, the surface low is near Shreveport, 1,000 millibars. And the warm front should be lifting northward. And then by Thursday night, the surface low is deepening at Memphis. And, of course, the big question is, can we get really in the true warm sector? Can the storms on Thursday be rooted in the boundary layer? And we don't know that yet. It's just too early in the game. But certainly that suggests there could be some severe weather in that warm sector or maybe near the warm front. So that will be one to watch this week. And, of course, that poses more threat of some significant rain. And then by Friday at midday, the surface low is pulled out of here and maybe some wraparound moisture. But the most significant rain is off to the east. And then Saturday, starting off the weekend, looks like a nice day. Sunny and comfortable with a high right around 70. And Sunday, but the moisture comes right back with his new surface low, and looks like Sunday could be unsettled with a chance of showers and maybe some thunder in there. And again, that might pose some severe weather risk. We'll see. And then Monday, that system is on by, and it starts to turn colder. And we wonder if we might have a risk of some light frost like this maybe middle of next week, Tuesday or Wednesday morning. There's a look at Tuesday. Deep surface low is off the Atlantic coast. Pretty good cold air advection here. And again, that could be a deal with some light frost. A damaging freeze with that look, probably not. And then at the end of the forecast on the 14th, that shows the polar westerlies way up north. And certainly that looks pretty warm. with a healthy band of storms up north. But as we all know, that's voodoo out there. We're just peaking. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.